Hello, my students. How are you today? 你们好吗? This week we have learned something about lesson 6, but there is something I didn't mention in our class. That is the tone Sandhi of Yi. Okay. And we have learned how to pronounce 1 to 10 in Chinese. So let's have a review. Let's count from 1 to 10. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。Okay. And let's count from 10 to 1. 十、九、八、七、六、五、四、三、二、一。Okay, so you can repeat after my voice. And the Chinese 4 tones. The first tone, ah. Second one, ah. The third tone, ah. The fourth tone, ah. Okay, ah, 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 ah. And we have learned the 1, yi. Yi is the first tone. So does it has other tones? So here are 3 sentences. Now listen to me. 今天是星期一。今天是星期一。Okay, here, E is the first tone. And the second sentence. 我有一只猫。我有一只猫。So here, 一只猫。E is the fourth tone, the falling tone. Okay, and last sentence. 一个苹果。一个苹果。So which tone is it? Okay, the second tone. 一个苹果, the rising tone. So for the character E, it has 3 tones. It can be E or E or E, the first, second, and the fourth tone. So in which situation the tone should be changed or not changed? We will discuss about that. So for the first situation, look at here. Here are 3 words. The first one, can try to read it. Okay, 第一，第一。第一 means number one. And this one, 星期一。Okay, 星期一 is Monday. So in China, usually we describe Monday as the first day of 1 week. But I know in Malawi, the first day of 1 week is Sunday. So that is a little different between our culture. So Monday, 星期一. And this one, 一等奖。一等奖means the first prize. So here, the 3 words here, the tone is the first tone, E, not change. So we can make a summary. When E is used alone as an ordinal number or placed at the end of a word or sentence, its tone doesn't change. Okay, so when it used alone or as an ordinal number or placed at the end of a word or sentence, its tone doesn't change. Still be E. Okay. And look at here. Here are 6 words, let's try to read it. The first one, okay, 一天,一天,一天 means one day, one day. And here, 一 pronunciation changed to the fourth tone, 一, okay. Go on. 一年,一年,一年 means 1 year, 1 year. And also, the tone is changed to the fourth tone, 一. And here, 一起,一起,一起 means together. And here, the tone also changed to the fourth tone, 一. So look here. 一天, 天 is a first tone character, and 年 is a second tone character, and 起 is a third tone character. Let's go on. 一张, 一张. Okay, 一 is the first tone, 张 is the first tone character. 一张. 一张 means one sheet or one piece. Okay, 一直, 一直. Okay, 一 the fourth tone, 直 the second tone. 一直 means always, always. And this one, 一种, 一种. 一种 means one type, one type. So, 一 the fourth tone, 种 is third tone. So we can make a summary. When the 一 is followed by a syllable in the first, second, or third tone, it changes into the fourth tone. When the 一 is followed by a syllable in the first tone, second tone, and third tone, it changes into the fourth tone. So 一 and 1, 2, 3 tone. Can you understand? Okay, read after me. 一天,一天,一年,一年,一起 sorry, 一起,一张,一张,一直,一直,一种,一种. Okay, so 一 and 1, 2, 3 tones. Okay, let's go on. And these two words, let's try to read it. The first one, 一定,一定,一定 means sure, certainly. And here, the 一 changed to the second tone, 一, 一. And this one, 一个, 一个. Okay, 一个 means one or a, because 个 is a commonly used measure word. 一个, 一个. So you'll find here that 一's tone changed to the second tone, 一, and the character 定 and character 个, they are the fourth tone characters. So when 一 is followed by a syllable in the fourth, it changes into the second tone. Just like climb the mountain. Just like climbing a mountain. It is similar with, we have learned the Sandhi of 不,不要,不要,不是. Just go up and go down. The tone mark is just like climbing a mountain. 一定,一定. 一定，一个，一个。Okay, so when E is followed by a syllable in the fourth, it changes into the second tone. Okay, now let's try the practice here. These words we have met in the before the front pages. So the first one, let's try it. 星期一，星期一，星期一 means Monday. Okay, so here, can you try to figure out which tone it should be? This word means 1 year, 1 year, and 年 is a second tone character, so it should be 一年, 一年. Okay, let's do this one first. 一天, 一天, because 天 is a first tone character. First tone character. Okay, this one. 一张, 一张, 一张. 张 is a first tone character, so the character E should change its tone from E to E, the fourth tone. 一张. 年 is a fourth tone character, so it should be 一年, 一年. Okay, this one. 定 is a fourth tone character. So look at the tone mark, it goes down. So maybe you will think of the mountain, climbing the mountain. Okay, so E should be the rising tone. 一定. And this one, 直 is a second tone, and we have learned for the first, second, third tone, the E's pronunciation should be E, the fourth tone. Okay, and this one. This word means number one. So here, the E is an ordinal number. For the ordinal number, the tone won't change. So it should be 第一. Okay. And this one. 起 is a third tone character. So when you meet first, second, and third tones, E should change to the E, the fourth tone. 一起. Okay, and this 个. Okay, the tone mark goes down. So mountain appear. 一个. It should be the rising tone 一. And this one, 种 is third tone, the third tone. So which tone it should be? Okay, 一种. And the last one means the first prize. So 一, that is an ordinal number. So the tone should not be changed. It should be 一. just the flat tone, the first tone, yi. Okay, and here are some challenges. You can try to finish it by yourself. If you find you cannot recall the rules of the Sandhi of Yi, you can turn to the front pages and check the rules. Okay, so that is a part of your homework, and try these challenges by yourself. If you find some problems you cannot solve by yourself, please contact me. Okay, thank you so much.